Uh. Every time I think I gotta go. Cause if you see, then you gotta know.
Alright guys, so first thing I just want to address right off the bat, because I'm really done with negativity in my life. So if you guys want to go ahead and post really awesome and supportive comments, very much welcome. If you guys want to go ahead and toss a hate comment, you will find yourself blocked from the channel quite almost instantly. So if you guys want to get one final comment in before never being able to view anything on the channel anymore, go ahead and toss a hate comment. So if you guys have been following the channel for any bit amount of time, for I don't know, let's say the past 6 to 7 months, you would have seen us building an S14. Long story short, we had some catastrophic failure on the dyno. So it's very unfortunate. We could go into the whole details and everything, what this and that, but there's no need for it. There's no need to get into details. We could talk hours and hours about this whole thing. So unfortunately, the way things mapped out, I mean, the motor has to be rebuilt. And for those of you that know anything about RBs, let alone RB26 30 setups, or just building engines for that matter, it's very, very costly. If you guys would like, we're not going to make this long. If you guys would like, there is a link down below to go ahead and help support the build, to help get the car back up and running. This is no you have to donate video. This is just me trying to help the owner out, to help him get some more funds so he can get his car back up on the road sooner. Again, supportive comments very much welcome. Thank you to everyone who decides to donate, whether it's $1, $5, $10, whatever it may be. It's all, it means the world to the owner. I know it will. Thank you guys for watching. 2J stuff is going great. If you guys missed yesterday's video, go ahead and check it out. We kind of have some updates about a single turbo setup. And yeah, I really want to get this thing up and rolling very, very soon for you guys. So huge shout out to the guys that have been watching the first 3 build series videos. There's a playlist actually, if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. All new videos will be tossed into that playlist. But alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great Sunday, man. Enjoy it. I'm about to do some work, maybe do some painting on the valve covers. But alright guys, take it easy, subscribe, a lot of stuff going down. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, check it out. Peace.